Hey, what's up guys, Shubh here back again, and in this video I will tell you that how you can get a custom URL for your YouTube channel. So let's get started. Before starting with the steps, let me tell you that you can get a custom URL for your channel only if you have 100 plus subscribers on the channel. Okay, so firstly open the YouTube website and then go to your channel. After that, click on YouTube Studio button. Once the page appears, open the Creator Classic mode from the bottom left section. You will see the Classic Creator Studio page on the screen. Go to the channel option and then scroll down to see the custom URL section. Click on enable and you are good to go. You will see a page which claims that you are eligible to get that custom URL. Click on choose the URL of your choice and you have successfully made a custom URL. Open a new tab, try it, relax and smile, and share it with all your folks to gain some subscribers. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. Like, share and subscribe for some amazing content, and I will see you in the next cool video. Peace out.